Hello from San Jose, California. Wishing you a wonderful new year. I wanted to pop on here and invite you to a Paint with Betty session that is happening on Saturday, January 11th at 11 a.m. Pacific time. It's a 2-hour live session where you're going to receive a link and you can join in and watch me paint for 2 hours. You can paint alongside with me. I'll send out a suggested list of tools and paints to bring along with you. Or again, you can just watch me create. And I'm going to be creating on paper. So about this size paper here, it's a 9 by 12. I'm going to go from the very beginning, which is just with some gesso on it, and we'll start with some mark making. Then we'll move into loosening up, adding paints, and my goal is to get it completely done with my final mark making on it and show you my entire process from start to end. But also more importantly is I plan to answer questions along the way from you as I'm going. So again, it's a 2-hour Paint with Betty session. It's $79, and with that you will receive the following day a link to the recording of that session so that you can watch it again, maybe watch parts of it, maybe watch all of it. And if you can't make it that day, this is a great opportunity for you to purchase it now because after that I will have the recording available, but the price will go up. So now's your chance to get that. I'm going to put the link below so that you can purchase it. Also ask me questions if you have any about it. You can leave it in the comments below, or you can email me directly. I'll put my email down below as well. For those folks who don't have an opportunity to come see me for a in-person workshop, this is a great opportunity for you to join in, especially if you are on the other side of the world. I'm here in California, and I know I've got a lot of folks who like to watch me from other parts of the world. So if you like what I'm creating on YouTube, come join me on Saturday, January 11th, so that we can have some fun together and create together, paint together, and kick off this year in a very creative way. All right, thanks for listening in and for following me here on YouTube, and I hope to see you really soon. All right, take care. Bye.